We are up here with a question. We studied something about current and resistance in the previous video. Now I have a question for you related to charges. You may pause the video and just see over all the question, or may I just read for you. So the question reads: how does the sign of the product of charges Q1 Q2 are two charges, product of charges Q1 Q2 relate to the direction of an electric force? Now the options are: A. When Q1 Q2 is positive, the force is attractive. B. When Q1 Q2 is positive, the force is repulsive. C. When Q1 Q2 is negative, the force is attractive. D. When Q1 Q2 is negative, the force is repulsive. Now more than one options may be correct. So pause the video. Now let's go over the answer. So I have an untitled gem, a white blank page. Now there can be two possible things: either the product is positive or the product is negative. These can be two cases, Now what can we say about x and y in this positive product? What can we say about x and y? There can be two cases in this as well. X can be positive and y can be positive, so that will occur in a positive product. And in the second case, x will be negative and y will be negative as well, so that will result in a positive product. Now the second thing, if the product of charges is negative, what can we say about this? Now x has to be positive and y has to be negative. This is first case. Now the second case, where x is negative and y is positive. So these are only two things. Now don't get confused, I have taken x and y in place of q1 and q2 for the sake of simplicity. Okay, so now the option first reads: if the product is positive, the force is attractive. Is the force attractive? No, I don't think so, because in both cases x and y have same type of charge. In one case both are positive and in one case both are negative, so the force must be repulsive. Just you need to know the opposite charges attract and same charges repel. So x and y have the same charge here, so they will obviously repel. So the first option, A, is incorrect, and B is the opposite of A, which says then that the force will be repulsive. Yes, B is correct. Now let us look if C and if some option in C and D is correct or not. So the third option says, if the product xy is negative, then the force is attractive. So we can see that in both cases x and y have opposite charges. What it means that they will obviously attract because they have opposite charges. So option C is correct, and option D is opposite of option C, which reads that if xy is negative, then they have to repel. No, that is not the case. They are the opposite charges, so they will obviously attract. There's no doubt here. So the option B and C are correct, and it's the solution of our question. And let's meet in the next video.